If you've clicked on this video, then you're probably wondering what the heck ServiceNow does, and I don't blame you. It can be pretty confusing to understand given its rapid evolution as a company in just the past few years, as well as it being just inherently unique relative to any other enterprise software company. So in this video, I'll be covering exactly what ServiceNow does and why it's become a mission-critical technology in the era of digital transformation. Now, just a quick disclaimer, I do currently work at ServiceNow, but all the information presented in this video is public knowledge, and I've tried my best to be as unbiased as possible. With that out the way, let's get into the video. ServiceNow is a cloud-native workflow platform that's built to streamline and automate business processes across the enterprise. To better illustrate this, let's take a look at an example of a typical IT architecture. For most large businesses, their tech stack is comprised of a slew of enterprise applications like ERP, enterprise resource planning, CRM, customer relationship management, HCM, human capital management, and many others. And at the bottom of the tech stack lies their systems of record. These are the databases, data warehouses, and data lakes that store the application data. So there's a database for ERP, a database for CRM, a database for HCM, and so on. And residing above them are the systems of engagement, which are the applications users actually interact with. These applications help to provide a user interface in which data can be easily entered and retrieved from their respective databases. However, they aren't optimized for task automation and have poor user experience. Some of the newer applications are able to resolve this by implementing workflows, aka business processes that help to deliver a digital experience. For example, if you wanted to log your timesheet on Workday, the application would kickstart a workflow that automatically takes the number of hours you just logged, fetches your hourly rate from the HCM database, and multiplies them together to compile your daily pay stub. ServiceNow operates a bit differently than these other software vendors in that it started out basically in reverse, by decoupling the workflow and process layer from the application layer, first creating a middle platform layer called the Now Platform that resides above the systems of record and could then be leveraged to build modern engagement apps on top of it. As the workflow code baked into the platform was applicable to almost any use case, the company could build applications by simply configuring the logic to the specific use case instead of having to code it each time. By doing so, it was able to launch its first application, IT Service Management, or ITSM, which helps automate IT support cases like changing a password or requesting software access. For the latter, an employee could simply request access for a specific software from the ServiceNow portal, which would automatically send a notification to the employee's manager for approval, and once the approval has been confirmed, the system would trigger the download autonomously. With the innovation velocity afforded by the platform, the company has been able to quickly expand its IT solution portfolio to include IT operations management, security operations, asset management, project management, observability, and many others. For ServiceNow, these so-called IT workflows continue to be their bread and butter given their first mover advantage and that they wholly own the IT system of record. Again, due to the extensibility of the Now platform, as well as seeing an opportunity to improve the experience of legacy applications, the company has replicated its IT playbook to the other departments, moving into HR or employee workflows, where it can handle processes like vacation requests and reserving a conference room, ERP for procurement and supplier operations, and CSM or customer workflows for customer support requests and field service. While ServiceNow doesn't own these particular systems of record, the independent workflow layer means that they can easily integrate with the existing ones, creating essentially a unified process layer that stretches across these traditionally disparate departments. And that's ServiceNow's key advantage. As a result of the rapid adoption of best-of-breed solutions by CIOs, the different systems of record and applications are siloed to their respective departments and don't communicate with each other. But with the Now platform's integration and process capabilities, workflows can be created not just within a single department and its system of record, but across multiple systems of record, spanning the entire enterprise. A great example of this being employee onboarding, which involves getting a laptop from procurement, which has to be set up by IT, enrolling in the payroll and health benefits from HR, acquiring the badge and facility access from security, and other processes specific to the employee. Instead of having the new employee navigate across various applications, ServiceNow is able to provide a single portal, which underneath has a workflow that manages all of the complexity via integrations with the other systems. Business users can also leverage the Now platform to build their own custom workflows and applications in a similar fashion to how ServiceNow is able to do. With their low-code creator workflows, anyone can streamline processes with enterprise-level data governance regardless of their coding experience. In short, ServiceNow enables companies to tear down siloed systems, deliver better digital experiences, and improve productivity via its workflow platform and applications. Though it started out in IT, it successfully expanded across the enterprise, tapping into the different systems and tying them together to automate complex processes. With that, I hope you found this video useful. I'll be releasing another video essay on ServiceNow, really breaking down its products and how the business actually operates. So if you're interested in that, I'll link the video in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.